In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google password. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Select Autofill with Google and passwords. Following that, just click on the one that you wish to get rid of, in my case Facebook one. Enter your current login method and choose Delete. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my Facebook password was successfully deleted from Password Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!